Usually on this day, if I were in China, we will set off the firecrackers. Morning guys, today is the Chinese Lantern Festival and I'm gonna go out to eat lunch with my friend. She's also a Chinese girl. Let's go. And today's weather is quite nice. That's today's outfit to meet a friend. Today in Montreal is -17, so it's pretty cold, so I opted for a warm outfit. Also, I'm gonna bring my long coat and my scarf. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, I'm gonna drive. See you guys later.
30 minutes later.
Okay, I have arrived. I'm gonna go find my friend now.
我比以前好很多了，我以前可能会比较。
Met with my friend. Now we're going to the restaurant. Gonna go get the sauce ball. Now the sauce is ready. How you eat it is you just select the food you want into the pot. .12:30，看来还是有人比我们吃的更晚。Okay, now I just finished the meeting with my friend and I'm back in the car. I'm gonna go home now. Hello guys, so today is the Chinese Lantern Festival. So in Chinese New Year, we think today is the first full moon. So that's why we will celebrate the first full moon as Lantern Festival. I checked a bit, that's how a Lantern Festival comes from in Chinese New Year. And usually on this day, if I were in China, we will set off the firecrackers, and we also will celebrate this festival with the family over a big dinner. Except this, we will also eat yuan xiao, which is like a sticky rice balls with the fillings. Usually it's a sesame filling or with the red bean fillings, or like it really depends on which region you are in China. For example, if I'm from north of the China, what we usually eat is sticky rice balls with the sesame filling. But some people who are from south of the China, they will eat sticky rice balls filled with pork, minced pork, for example. So it's really different. It depends on where you're from and what kind of tradition you have in that region in China. And except eating yuan xiao, we will also watch a Lantern Festival gala on the TV, because usually the national broadcaster in China, they will host a gala show to celebrate Lantern Festival, and on that day, Chinese people will just watch that show together with their family, and this is a kind of a tradition every year. And today I will also watch a little bit of that gala show. Except that I'm gonna also cook yuan xiao tonight and eat it a little bit, and that's about it. Okay, so for now I'm gonna cook yuan xiao. This is how it looks like. And how I cook it is very simple. Okay, this is how it looks like when it's not cooked yet. Okay, so how you do it is like you put the balls inside of the boiling water, and then you just stir a little bit. And when the balls is floating on the surface, then it means it's ready, then you can eat it. Alright, let's wait a little bit.
10 minutes later.
Okay, now the yuan xiao is cooked, so I'm just gonna get it out. And also we will need a little bit of the water. We can eat it. Let's go. And how it looks like sesame fillings, very sweet. It's good.
生活电器为您准备了1000份九阳牌零涂层电饭煲，还有洗衣机、烘干机套装、空调、洗地机、羊毛被等好礼。赶快！
我好。火火酱香典范红花郎恭祝全球华人元。
不嫌钱公之，又何必理太监杨年辉？有一笔愁眉的胆，忘不了钱公之我的日山。就是我父亲亲人的祖先，在于你若那可取万人所图，未必出对不真，就是我心不是你是我命。
看着马，飞踏红尘，火漫天，七彩祥云。茶香陶醉丝绸裹着的温柔，四季飘逸东方神韵。
爆竹声声辞旧岁，红梅朵朵迎新春，万象更新。Happy Chinese Lantern Festival to you if you are also spending this festival. 元宵节快乐！